moved the double bed 80 meters away, but that water drop seemed to be able to track his location. After a series of moves, the water drop landed on Papa Bear's face. However, as more and more water accumulated, the diaper quickly reached its limit. He hurriedly took emergency measures after on Papa Bear's head. Did they realize this was one of their own? In order to hibernate quietly, Papa Bear tied everyone up, eliminating all safety hazards. He didn't even spare the alarm clock. Finally, the world was peaceful. However, as the sun rose, ice and snow melted. It turned out spring had arrived. The furious Papa Bear opened the window and roared at the sky. The sun was so scared it didn't dare come out.